Hey everybody, it is Mindy, and I have a small package here from my friends at Fgnormal. Yes, they sent me a couple things. So let's get into it and let's see what we have. All right, set those over here out of the way, and let's just roll right on through these one at a time. All right, here we go. Okay, what do we have for our first package? Come on. Guess I need to open it a little more. All right, what do we have? I don't know. Oh, yes. Okay, this one, there was a series of these. They were all similar, and I was very curious how they would turn out. So I thought I would get one and try it, okay? If you have never had a kit, most of them come with this type of toolkit. We have a green boat, piece of wax, and a pen so that you can diamond paint. And the colors are very soft, pastel, muted colors. Now, these were pretty cool. We have DMC codes over here. Got some glue there from my bag, I think. We have DMC codes on the canvas. Here is the legend, letters, and a few symbols. Yeah, here's the drill field. Let's show you that while we're here before I open it up. Pretty clear. C's, U's, A, G. I don't think I'm going to have any trouble distinguishing those. Do you? I think they look pretty clear. Now, I really liked this. Let's see what we think. There's a legend on the other side as well. Cool. All right, look, what do you think? What do you think? Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. Very, very pretty, right? Yeah. I mean, I think it's going to turn out beautiful, don't you? The blue background behind it, just like it's almost like a watercolored background. See, here's the thumbnail. Kind of watercolored background with the flowers. Like I said, there were several different flowers. Looks like there were some letters down here, but I don't think that's really going to matter. That's not the point of the whole painting, right? I think it's going to turn out beautiful, don't you? I really do. I think it's going to be very pretty. Big flowers, yeah, big flowers, focal point on the canvas. That's what's going to turn out in a small size. I'm going to measure once. As we have determined, most of these, this is 34, okay, instead of the 40. That's how most of these canvases are done. They're a little bit short, and I just flipped it over and did inches. Whew, centimeters on one side, inches on the other. 30 or 24 and a half the other way. So they're about 6 centimeters short. The full canvas would be your 30 by 40. Is it sticky? Yes, it's a nice poured glue. I think this is beautiful. I think that's going to turn out just great. I want to look at the drills for this because it is very pastel, muted colors. I want to see what we have here. 2 legends. You notice that? DMC codes on the canvas, not on the drills. I have 100% so far, knock on wood, I don't have any wood nearby, but knock on wood, I've had 100% DMC codes, either on the canvas or on the drills with Fgnormal. Now this is really bright. That must go in the center somewhere, because that is a really bright peach. Light green, very minty green. I'm not sure what to call this color. It's a rosy brown color, kind of. Couple grays, a very pretty blue, mossy green. This is a tan beige with a hint of green to it. Another gray, navy blue, brown. Now this bright pink has got to go in the center of the flowers. Very bright pink. Couple of browns, another pink, another one of those brown rosy colors. I'm not certain what to call that color. Sienna, maybe. I don't know. A brown purpley and some more blues. Very, very pretty colors. I like this one. I really like this. I think that's going to turn out just great. I think it's beautiful. Okay. Yay. One down, and I totally love it. Okay. What do we have here? Well, it's very blue, and it's in another bag. A bag in a bag. in a bag. All right. This is a full drill. That was rounds, by the way. I usually get the rounds. I should pick a square because you can get squares with these companies. Fgnormal, I think they have some squares. I think all of them do. You just have to look for them. All right. Ooh, this has glitter all over the back of it. Huh. Doesn't really have glitter on the front much, but the back's covered with glitter. All right. So, I mean, there's a couple creases. We're not going to worry about those a whole lot. They will come right out. You just have to leave them lay flat, put them under some other stuff, whatever you need to do with it. But this one just caught my eye. It was so adorable. You'll see why. So adorable. It's just a little bunny. It's like my little blue bunny just sitting in the snow. And there's some little flowers peeking out of the snow. I don't know why there's flowers in the snow, but I didn't care. That didn't matter. I still think it's super cute, right? This little bunny just sitting there in the snow. Loved it. All right. That background has a lot of multi-placing, okay? A bunch of F's through here and a bunch of K's over here. So there's patches. Look at, the bunny is going to be made with purples is my guess. I did a bunny once before. It was a gray bunny. And there were a lot of purples and greens in that bunny to make it look gray. Weird how colors do that sometimes. 2 legends, 20 colors, DMC codes on the canvas. Super clear. Super clear. Look at, I'm sorry, there is a huge glare. Sun shining in the window. Look at the symbols. Very clear. Love it. Yeah, that's going to be purples and greens to make that bunny. I'll tell you right now. Here's our toolkit. Oh, look, this one comes in a zippy bag. Okay. Where's the edge? I just need to know. I need to know. So 19 and 20 and 7 are all in the bunny. Remember those numbers. 19, 20, 7 are going to make up the bunny colors. So here's 20. So that's a brown. 19's a brown. Pretty blues and aquas. What other numbers are in there? E and 7, I'm guessing are going to be purple. But look at these colors. Browns, purples, pinks. That's almost a green. It's a gray, dark gray with a green hue to it. Bet you that's in the bunny too. Let's see. It's number 11, which is B. Yep, there's some B's in there. So, and I flipped them over, look. Lots and lots of blues. Where's the 7s? No, it's brown. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. It totally looks purple on here. E is 14. What's the 14? Well, that's a purpley brown. Okay, so that one's purpley. Yep, that one's purple. There are some purples in there. Anyhow, it's going to be cute. Cute little bunny, right? Adorable little bunny. I've gotten quite a collection of bunnies lately. I guess I just see them and I can't help myself. Can't help myself with the bunnies. Oh, yeah, tore that one right apart. Okay, what's this one? What do we have here? Oh, yeah, this one's cool. This is just a, I don't know what you want to call it. Abstract kind of an image, I guess, but it's not really. Probably won't open these drills since we've opened a couple already. But look at the colors. Kind of have the same color palettes going on here. Blue, green, some bright pinks. A lot of blues, greens, and bright pinks. This is PJ packaging. Plain Jane packaging. No DMC codes on it is what that means. A number, serial number to match it to your canvas. So you can match it to your canvas right here, JH188. Now, those have both been fairly pastel, where this one is bright. Oh, it's a 30 by 30. I guess I didn't know that. It's cute. I like it. got this swirling, what is it? A sun, a moon? I don't know what it is exactly, but there it is. Symbol list on each side, 16 colors, DMC codes on the canvas. Wow. And a bunch of tulips at the bottom. These dark colors, I mean, you can tell them. You can tell those symbols. H, J. There's no M down there to get confused with it. There isn't, well, there is an M. I just lied. But M is green and H is black. So they can't really get confused with each other. Now up here in this blue, ooh, this will be a little tricky. We have B and we have E, and they're the same color. Now what would I do with this? What would I do? I would pick the one that stands out the most. The B's look a little lighter. So I would go through and I would pick out these B's and do the B's first, and then come back and get the E's. That's going to be the one tricky thing. Here's the same thing. We got B and we got E. Those are so close. Like I said, I would probably pick the B's and do the B's first, and then come back and get all the E's. Yeah, those are a little tricky. It's only a 30 by 30, so it's not going to be like you're going to be doing it for eons, right? I think we could work through it, but that's how I would tackle it. I usually, if there's symbols that are really close, I try to pick out one that I think I can distinguish easier than the other and pick that one out first, and then go get the other one. Okay. Come on, bag. One more little. Come on. Okay, there we go. Usually I throw my trash the other way, but today I've decided to throw it that way. Oh. Yes. Okay, had to have this. You'll know why in about 30 seconds. It's part of the group. Part of the group. Toolkit. Special drills. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. I think this one completes the collection. I think it completes the collection. He's the green owl. I have the blue, the pink, the red, the purple. Blue, pink, red, purple, green. Isn't he cute? So cute. So cute. Look. He's got some interesting flowers here. Look at, he's got hearts. He's gonna have hearts. I'm always curious what's gonna go around the eyes and these eyelash things, right? Because, yeah, he's sitting on a little ring. Maybe it's supposed to be like a moon or something. So cute. I have to do all of these owls, right? I have to do all these owls. I think that's it, though. I mean, I think I found one more, though, that is similar enough to this. Yeah. Gonna go with this group. What kind of special drills do we have? We already know we're gonna have hearts. All right, let's go this way. Let's do rhinestones first. Clear rhinestones. Bright yellow rhinestones. Green, lime green, and then we're out of rhinestones. That's it. Now look, yellow ABs. Awesome, right? These are the smooth topped ABs, but there's yellow and there's blue. I thought he would be a lot more green, but he's gonna have a lot of yellow and blue in him. I mean, he does have green rhinestones, but man, yellow and blue. Has some clear faceted round ones. Claws, talons. He's got stars somewhere. I didn't see the stars, but I guess he's got stars someplace. Quite a few hearts. I only saw hearts like right here, but maybe they just gave us a whole bunch. I don't know. Yeah, I only see 3 hearts. Wow. Okay. And then look, beak. All right, you have to have a big old peacock feather for a beak, don't you? Wow. Yeah, I don't see very many places for hearts. But I'll take the extra hearts because, you know, I have some other owl paintings that need hearts. 1, 2, 3 of them. Claws. I don't see any more hearts. All right, well, I'll take it. Anyhow, I think the owl collection is complete. some fun little things, smaller, you know, just fun little things. I really like the flowers. I think the flowers are going to turn out great. There's what I got. Thank you, Fgnormal. Of course, I will link these below. And I'm going to tell you that I have a page at Fgnormal. I do. I will link it below. But you can go to Fgnormal, and when you go to their menu, their drop-down menu, there's, it says something like creators or YouTube creators, something like that. And if you click on that, you'll find some creators. There's a little synopsis about us, there's a little video, and then paintings that I have purchased are there, and they're linked there as well. So if you can't remember something that I purchased and you don't remember which video it was, you can go to my page on Fgnormal and you can look at the stuff I purchased and go to it that way. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. I thought that was an awesome thing that they offered, and I was all for it. Awesome. So I will link it below in this video, but just know it's in the drop-down menu. It's like creators page or something like that. YouTube creators, something like that. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, unbagging, unpouching, whatever this is. And maybe there was something here that you liked. Go check it out. They all look really good to me. You know, there's a knack. There's a knack. You kind of learn when you're purchasing these smaller paintings what to look for. You look for things that are a big flower in the center, or one big rabbit in the center, and the background's just complementing it. You learn what works well in a small size. You'll never see me buy anything with tons and tons of detail because it just won't turn out in a small size. So that's my tip of the day. Now I'm done talking, and I'll let you go. Thank you for watching, subscribing, joining the channel, everything that you do. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.